Have you ever wondered what it takes to make a lasting transformation in your body? I mean, not just a short-term change, but that forever kind of transformation. Well, you're in for a treat because today, we're diving into the 9 game-changing habits that will help you achieve your dream physique and keep it that way. So, here's a surprise starter for you. Habit number 1, don't deny yourself the foods you love. I know it sounds counterintuitive, right? But restricting your favorite treats forever is like entering a never-ending wrestling match with your cravings. Instead, let's understand your hunger better. There's the physical hunger, like your growling stomach, and the mind's interpretation of it. Most of the time, our minds take over before we even feel real hunger. To beat this, have a balanced meal first, high in protein, veggies, and healthy carbs. This will satisfy the physical hunger, and often your cravings will magically vanish. Trust me, this strategy is a game changer. Subscribe and leave your thoughts below. We'd love to hear what you think. But wait, we've got 8 more to uncover, so let's move on to habit number 2, lift heavy weights. It's all about triggering those muscle-growing and fat-burning hormones. Lifting heavy weights at a moderate pace not only burns more calories, but also helps you gain more muscle, especially if you're a natural lifter. Number 3, embrace fasting. Forget what you've heard about having breakfast or eating multiple meals a day. Fasting gives you the freedom to enjoy your favorite foods without stressing about exceeding your daily calorie count. It also lowers insulin levels, leading to more fat loss. Number 4, start workouts in the morning. Procrastination is the enemy of progress, my friend. By getting your workout done first thing in the morning, you kickstart your day on a high note. No more excuses or delays. Now, habit number 5, progressive overload. It's all about pushing yourself to make small improvements in your workout. Whether it's adding a few more pounds to your lifts or going the extra mile during cardio, these little changes add up over time and lead to incredible results. Number 6, reduce your sugar intake. Not only is sugar a fat storage culprit, but it's also highly addictive. The less you consume, the less you crave and the healthier your diet becomes. Next up, habit number 7, choose natural, single-ingredient foods. Shop around the perimeter of the grocery store, where the real unprocessed goods are. Stick to one-ingredient wonders whenever possible, and your body will thank you for it. Habit number 8, exercise daily. I know, it sounds like a big commitment, but it's the easiest way to turn your workout into a habit. Just like brushing your teeth, exercising every day eliminates excuses and makes it an automatic part of your routine. Be consistent. Consistency is the ultimate key to long-term success. Show up even when you don't feel like it, and it becomes a habit to do what you say you're going to do. Not only does this benefit your body, but it spills over into all areas of your life. Now, in your weight loss journey, one of the biggest problems you'll run into is losing your belly fat. So, click on the screen and I'm going to walk you through 3 secrets to lose stubborn belly fat.